Endogenous uncouplers enable organisms to generate heat. Certain cold-adapted animals, hibernating animals, and newborn animals generate large amounts of heat by uncoupling oxidative phosphorylation. These organisms have a type of fat known as brown adipose tissue, so called for the color imparted by the many mitochondria this adipose tissue contains. The inner membrane of brown adipose tissue, mitochondria, contains large amounts of an endogenous protein called thermogenin, which literally means heat maker, or uncoupling protein 1, UCP1. UCP1 creates a passive proton channel through which protons flow from the cytosol to the matrix. Mice that lack UCP1 cannot maintain their body temperature in cold conditions, whereas normal animals produce larger amounts of UCP1 when they are cold adapted. Two other mitochondrial proteins, designated as UCP2 and UCP3, have sequences similar to UCP1. Since the function of UCP1 is so closely linked to energy utilization, there has been great interest in the possible roles of UCP1, UCP2, and UCP3 as metabolic regulators and as factors in obesity. Under fasting conditions, expression of UCP1 mRNA is decreased, but expression of UCP2 and UCP3 is increased. There is no indication, however, that UCP2 and UCP3 actually function as uncouplers. There has also been interest in the possible roles of UCP2 and UCP3 in the development of obesity, especially since the genes for these proteins lie on chromosome 7 of the mouse, close to other genes linked to obesity. Certain plants use the heat of uncoupled proton transport for a special purpose. Skunk cabbage and philodendron contain floral spikes that are maintained as much as 20 degrees above ambient temperatures in this way. The warmth of the spikes serves to vaporize odoriferous molecules, which attract insects that fertilize the flowers. Red tomatoes have very small mitochondrial membrane proton gradients compared with green tomatoes, evidence that uncouplers are more active in red tomatoes whose energy needs are less. And that's endogenous uncouplers enable organisms to generate heat. Have a great day.